Serum has just released, not Serum, Xfer Records. I'm probably saying it right. It's all splites. It's all family. It's all there. Definitely some good news. I was kind of dragging my feet today, and I found out that Serum 2 came out. I actually like Serum 2, and if you are a rent-to-own owner like myself, all you got to do is start up your Splice software and install the plugin. So basically that's it. There's no really big hoops to jump through. I think it's very nice that they allowed you to get this plugin without having to go through the process. Now the plugin does have a price on it. It's on sale right now, but I bought the rent-to-own one, and I'm still on that plan. But they included Serum 2, and I'm excited about that. So let's check it out and maybe browse some sounds in FL Studio. So we're going to switch over just like this. Now we're in FL Studio. Now, to make sure that this is connected or found in FL Studio, you got to do a plugin scan. So I just did a plugin scan, and I should see it highlighted in yellow somewhere around here. Where is it at? Serum 2. Why do I keep calling it Splice 2? Serum. Boom. Open that up. And let's bring it up right there. Serum 2. And in a couple seconds, we see it right here, and we have Serum 2. I'm going to browse some of the presets. So off the bat, it looks very familiar to the original one. It looks like it's more of a refined look right there. Ooh, I could scale it up just like that. Okay. I like the look of the original plugin. If I want to make a pad, I always like to make pads. Let's see. Okay, so I got that there. The filter is in the same place. And I'm going to talk about Massive. All right. I was a big Massive person, the original VST Massive plugin. And then when they came out with Massive X, now I know this has nothing to do with this plugin, but it looks so different. But this looks so familiar to the original. It just has more. They have a third one. There's a lot of features. This is just a preliminary review. I got to do another video on this thing. If I turn that filter off. Turn that volume down just a little bit. I know I'm overloading. And the filters are all there. You got all these filters. If I want to make it a pad, I mean, it all works the same. If I want to add a little bit of effects, the effects are in the same location, so I don't have to think too much about it. And they're not in any prearranged order. You could just click on that and just add your effect. I mean, you can really just have fun with it. LFO, I can go to the LFO, drag it over there. And I like that this plugin, it has a lot of features, but I can use my same skill set and, you know, use it, just basically work it the way I've always done it before and build upon that. And I like that there's some little pop-ups there too as well. Change that right up to. Some classic Dilio sounds. Stuff I always play. Let's say if I want to add a reverb on there, I can do that. And like I said, this is my first time. I have not worked with Serum 2 before. But if I want to add some effects there, I can do that. So they kind of give you a little bit of a fresh paint job. And I'm this really ethereal guy. Let's add another one. Make sure that filter's on there. So that's a little bit of a learning curve right there. So if I want to turn that on. So this block right here lets you know what's going to that filter. I want to change the octave. Everything's in the same place. So this is Serum 2. Like it. I haven't even scratched the surface on the features, but I wanted to do a video and just spread the word about this because I think it's cool. It's a cool plugin. If there are any Chemicals fans out there, it's time for me to get back to work and work on some more sounds for this one. So I think I need to do a Chemicals 3 season 3 or something and actually finish it. I know I'm notorious for not finishing projects. But I can change, right? Like how Rocky says, anybody can change. So let me know what you guys think about that. If you like this type of content, subscribe, like. Let's vibe. Subscribe, like, vibe. That's copyright. Delio T2K 2025. Subscribe, like, and vibe. Ooh, y'all can't use that. That's mine. That's mine.